Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make your life a little bit easier, a little bit more organized, and a little bit more fun? Well, there might just be an app for that. It's called Emma, and it's been making waves in the tech world. But the big question is Emma free? Before we dive into the main event, let's take a moment to understand what Emma is and why it's so popular. Emma is a personal assistant app that can help you with everything from scheduling appointments to ordering groceries. It's like having your own personal secretary at your fingertips. But with so many apps out there, it's natural to wonder if there's a catch. Is Emma free, or do you have to pay for this convenience? The free trial. One of the great things about Emma is that it offers a free trial. This allows you to test out the app and see if it's right for you before committing to a paid subscription. During the free trial, you can access many of Emma's features and get a taste of what the app can do. It's a great way to see if Emma is a good fit for your lifestyle. The paid subscription. Once your free trial is over, you'll have the option to subscribe to Emma. The paid subscription gives you access to all of Emma's features, including advanced scheduling, personalized recommendations, and integration with other apps. While the paid subscription comes with a cost, it can be worth it if you find Emma to be a valuable tool in your life. The cost of the paid subscription. The exact cost of Emma's paid subscription can vary depending on your location and the specific features you choose. However, you can typically expect to pay a monthly or annual fee. It's important to weigh the cost against the benefits that Emma offers. If you find that Emma helps you save time, reduce stress, and improve your overall quality of life, the cost might be well worth it. The value proposition. Beyond the financial aspect, it's important to consider the value that Emma provides. Does it help you achieve your goals? Does it make your life easier? If the answer is yes, then the cost might be a small price to pay for the convenience and benefits that Emma offers. Comparison to other apps. To get a better understanding of Emma's pricing, it's helpful to compare it to other similar apps. Are there other personal assistant apps that offer similar features at a lower cost? Are there any free alternatives that might be worth considering? By comparing Emma to other options, you can make an informed decision about whether or not the cost is justified. So, is Emma free? The short answer is no, but it does offer a free trial that allows you to test out the app before committing to a paid subscription. The cost of the paid subscription can vary, but it's important to consider the value that Emma provides and compare it to other similar apps. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for Emma is a personal one that depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.